Everything I ate at KFC Thailand. Hey cravers, today let's go to KFC Thailand to try out the exclusive menu items there. Every time I travel, I love going to fast food kasi there's going to be something unique. Let's start with the chicken zab rice. Just by looking at it, you can tell that it's going to be very flavorful kasi ang daming onions and cilantro and spices. While I enjoy this, medyo maanghang siya for me. Kumakapit talaga sa dila yung anghang. Next, let's try the shrimp donut. Love the texture of this, crunchy on the outside, tapos may bouncy texture siya, just like real shrimp. This goes so well with their chili sauce. Medyo weird lang siya for me na walang rice or bread. Now let's try their wing zab. This one is such a fun dish. It's super crunchy, tapos may spice siya on the outside. I think what I'm starting to notice is wala kasi masyadong dip, so the dishes tend to be dry. So while I enjoy the savory dishes, pinaka na-enjoy ko itong egg tart nila, which is the dessert. This is the perfect level of sweetness, tapos I like how custardy it is. KFC Thailand is doing it right. I wish I could have these items in the